Aka ngayon, Lunes, 8 p.m.
AIA goes all out in taking care of you with life and health plans, medical coverage, and its wellness program. You're all in care for all in living. AIA.
Canyon Choco Biscuit. With extra chocolate and extra creamer in one biscuit, will give a delicious chocolate taste. You'll want to try it again.
Canyon Choco Biscuit. Feel the chocolate.
This is the Emergency Alert System, activated by the NDRR-MC Central Visayas and the Provincial Government of Cebu. We are interrupting normal programming to bring you the latest information about the earthquake that has just happened here within the Cebu area. Initiate duck, cover, and hold. Stay calm. Do not panic during the earthquake. Panicking increases the chances of injury and accidents. If you're outside in your car, right now, stop into a nearby open area away from poles and structures. If you're in a building, prepare to evacuate immediately. If you're in a situation where you are near the ocean, go to a higher ground as a precaution. Tune in to local radio and TV stations for further information. Programming may be interrupted by your local stations to bring you the latest news after this message. Thank you for listening to this broadcast. Stay safe, everyone, and stay strong.
Na ang Pasko sa pansit, adobo, spaghetti ko.
Sarap nito.
Mahipa.
Galing talaga.
Buong-buo ang Pasko, Lord.
Inspire any Filipino's choice. Introducing O-Spend Mineral Water, made from 100% pure mountain water. Distilled, fresh, approved by Filipinos.
I choose O-Spend Mineral Water.